I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. It's September and that means football is back. It doesn't matter if you support a pro team, a college team, a high school team, or a little league team. Football is fun and it means snacks. The other day I had a taste for some buffalo chicken dip. I picked up an 8-ounce container of it at the grocery store for $7. It was good, but I just kept thinking I can make my own and save money. 8 ounces doesn't go very far, especially if you have guests. So today I'm going to show you how I make buffalo chicken dip. Let's get started. We're going to place about a half cup water in our crock pot. Next, I'm going to add 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm going to give the chicken a nice coating of this Frank's Red Hot Dry Blend. I love this stuff. Also, you want to go ahead and grab an 8-ounce cream cheese, set that out and let it start to soften. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And then we're going to place the lid on this crock pot. I'm going to turn mine on high and I'm going to leave it there for roughly 3.5 hours. If you're enjoying today's video, now's a perfect time to go tap the like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Once this chicken is done, we're going to have to do a step where we remove it, drain out all of the liquid, and then add the chicken back into the crock pot. Next, we want to start shredding up all of this chicken. Now we're going to add our softened 8-ounce cream cheese. Then we'll add a cup of ranch dressing. I like the buttermilk ranch, just think it has a better flavor. I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of the medium heat buffalo sauce. If you like your food spicy, you might want to consider a full cup or moving up to the hot buffalo sauce. And finally, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Next, I'm going to use one of my favorite Spurtles and make sure I've got everything in the crock pot very well blended. By the way, if you're interested in Spurtles or crock pots or anything else you see me use in my videos or may see around my kitchen, check out my Amazon storefront. There's a link for it down in the description of this video. You don't pay additional fees if you purchase anything through my storefront, but Amazon does pay me a small commission. Once this is all mixed up, you have the option of adding another half cup of shredded cheese on top if you like. I'm going to leave mine like it is. Go ahead and put the lid on, and I'm going to turn this down to low. We're going to let this go about another 10 or 15 minutes, just long enough to make sure all the cheese is melted and that the dip is nice and warm. Now we're ready to get this into a serving bowl, or if you're not going to serve it right away, or if you have a really big batch, you can turn your crock pot down to warm and just leave it where it is. You can serve this buffalo chicken dip hot or cold. I prefer it served hot. You can accompany it with tortilla chips, celery, carrots, crackers, whatever you like. Sometimes I just eat it with a fork. Any way you serve it, you're gonna love it, your guests are gonna love it, and you can amp it up as spicy or as mild as you like. I truly hope you have a fantastic week ahead, a great start to the football season, and I'm going to be back again with you real soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.